How to create a circular design like this, super quick in Affinity. Go to the Tools panel and select the Ellipse tool. Click and drag. With that, go to the Effects panel with that ellipse selected, and then go to 3D, set that on, maybe make it about 11 or 12, and then just go to Gradient Overlay, turn that on, and you can modify the gradient in numerous ways. Click Close. Go to the Move tool. With the Move tool, go down to the Context toolbar, and you see here a setting. Just go there, Enable Transform Origin. Need that so you can reposition the transform origin, which is this. Then you can simply just drag this down and just place it down at the bottom there. With the Move tool selected, press Return or Enter on the keyboard, and you get this panel. And then you can modify the settings by using the duplicate option here, number of copies, set that to 20 or 30, and you can set that, of course, at any point. Simply set the scale and rotation as required. So I'm going to go with this, which is just about all the way around, and just if you go too far, you can always, of course, reduce the number. And I'm going to go with that setting here. So I've got rotation of 18, number of copies 20. Next option, click this, Insert New Items Behind. So click there and you get that. Then click OK. Then drag over all of the items. You can do that in the Layers panel as well if you wish. And then right click and down to Group. I'm going to rasterize the whole thing, so right click and then down to Rasterize. Again, with the Move tool selected, press Return or Enter on the keyboard and you get this panel. Go to Duplicate, turn that on again, and then set scale to say 108, 113, up to you of course. Again, you can set the insertion mode to behind as well. And then with that, set the number of copies. I'm just going to go for 11 in this case. You can also set the rotation. So if you want, just maybe make it 3 or 4. Don't have to go too high. And click OK. And there you have it. A very quick circular duplication design in Affinity.